Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to Ryson's Spray Booth, and in this video we will be discussing about 5 mistakes that a beginner painter do when he's painting his vehicle. So let's get the video started. So the first mistake that a beginner painter do is he don't like using the sandpapers. He wants to do a shortcut and he wants to take out the sandpaper from his process. So he doesn't sand the surface, and after some time the paint starts to peel off, putting him in more mess. So that was the first mistake. Now the second mistake that a beginner painter do is he doesn't use the correct grit sandpaper because he doesn't know which sandpaper grit to use where. And that is the problem, that he uses the wrong grit sandpaper and messes up the surface. So that was the second mistake. Let's move on to the third mistake. And the third mistake that a beginner painter do is he uses a very cheap quality paint products. He feels that he is getting a nice deal on the paints because they are cheap, but what he doesn't know is when he uses those products, it will mess up his paint job. So that was the third mistake. Let's move on to the fourth mistake. And the fourth mistake that a beginner painter do is he uses wrong type of primers. Now there are different type of primers which are to be used on different type of surfaces. He doesn't know that, so he uses the wrong type of primers, but he acquires a good finish. But after some time, because of the wrong primers used, the imperfections tend to come up and show themselves, putting the painter in more mess. And the fifth mistake that a beginner painter do is he uses a wrong tip spray gun to spray primers, paints or anything, because of which the paint is not laid evenly and messes up his entire finish. So those were the 5 mistakes a beginner painter do. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysonsspraybooth signing out until we meet again.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.